Hello everyone and welcome to this Zendrop review. Can it help you build a profitable dropshipping store? We're diving deep into Zendrop, a dropshipping platform that has been making waves in the e-commerce world. If you're looking to start or scale your dropshipping business, you've probably heard of it. But does it really live up to its service? We're going to break down everything you need to know, from its features to its pricing, and help you decide if it's the right fit for you. So we've dropped the link to Zendrop for easy access in the description below, so you can go ahead and sign up to begin your dropshipping solution right after this video. And starting with the features, Zendrop positions itself as more than just a product sourcing tool. It aims to streamline the entire dropshipping process. So here's a breakdown of its key features. Product sourcing and automation. Zendrop connects you with a network of suppliers primarily in China, offering a wide range of products. It automates the order fulfillment process, saving you time and effort. They emphasize finding high-quality products to reduce customer complaints. Faster shipping. One of Zendrop's selling points is its focus on faster shipping times, aiming to deliver products to customers quicker than traditional dropshipping methods. On average, you're looking at 10 to 12 days. There is a mention of USA-based warehouses to aid in fast shipping, which is great of course if you're in the US. Branding and customization. Zendrop allows you to add custom branding to your packages, creating a more professional and personalized customer experience. This includes custom thank you cards and branded packaging. 24-hour customer support. They offer around-the-clock customer support to assist you with any issues or questions you may have. Product bundling. This feature allows you to create product bundles, increasing average order value. And now to the details of pricing. Zendrop offers a tiered subscription model to cater to different needs. They have the free plan, and this plan is available to those who want to explore Zendrop's interface. It does have limited features. Then you have the Pro plan. This plan is usually around $49 per month. It includes unlimited order processing, automated fulfillment, product bundling, and access to US warehouse shipping. This plan is the most popular and offers the most that most dropshippers need to succeed. Then you have the Plus plan. This plan is around $79 a month. It includes everything in the Pro plan and also includes branding and custom packaging. This plan is best for those wanting to build a strong brand. So here's our recommendation. If you're serious about building a sustainable dropshipping business and want to take advantage of faster shipping and automated fulfillment, the Pro plan is your best bet. For those who want to build a brand and have custom packaging, the Plus plan is the way to go. And as with any service, we'd love to tell you about the pros and the cons so you're more aware. Starting with the pros. It has a simplified order fulfillment. Automation saves time and reduces errors. You have faster shipping options. US-based warehouses can reduce shipping times and an average of 10 to 12 days. Branding capabilities. Allows for more professional and a personalized experience. Product bundling. Increases average order value. 24/7 support. We love to always have our customer support as this provides peace of mind in times of trouble. On the flip side, with the cons, you have reliance on suppliers. Like any dropshipping platform, you are still reliant on third-party suppliers. Then product availability is still reliant on the supplier. In conclusion, Zendrop offers a comprehensive dropshipping solution with a focus on automation, faster shipping, and branding. If you're looking for a platform that can help you streamline your operations and provide a better customer experience, Zendrop is worth considering. The Pro plan is a good value for most users. So, if you're ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level, we recommend checking Zendrop. Click the link in the description below to sign up and see for yourself how it can fit your business needs. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.